Alright, so we've drawn our four sides of the box. We've drawn the base of our box. So we've drawn the long side, the short side, we've drawn the base, now we're up to the top. So the base and the top are pretty much the exact same thing, except the dimensions are a bit different. So we've got 150 by 110, 10 millimeters thick for this one here. So we will go to the top of the tree, select create, new component, and we're going to call this the top. It goes to wireframe, that's fine. We're now going to create a sketch, and we can select the top and then just collect into the side over there. We're now going to get the rectangle tool, draw ourselves a rectangle, doesn't matter what size because we're going to confer with our drawings, and it's 110 by 150, 10 mil thick. Pressing the dimension tool, we are 150, here we are 110, finish sketch. Let's look at it in isometric now. Click on the house, and we want to go from 0 millimeters thick to 10. We're then going to press the letter J. Excellent. And selecting an edge that we can see. So sometimes it's easiest to maneuver the whole little globe you can see there. And we might select that underside, and we want the underside to go to the top of there. That looks like it might do it, but that's all right, because what I'll do, I'm now going to select that corner, and I'm selecting that. And here we have, that's actually fit perfect with where we want it to go. Right, so we now got that where we want it to be. We're now looking at what kind of edge treatment we're going to do. So we want to select the four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, going up to our different tools, and we can look at using the fillet tool. And if I type in with the fillet tool 5 mil, I'll make it the same as the bottom, 10 mil, and then press OK. You'll now see that we've got our top that matches the bottom part of our design. Other options that you can do here, you could select those four, and you might want to give it a chamfer. So the chamfer, go to modify, chamfer, call that 5 mil. You'll see how it just gives that straight line all the way around. So you can choose a design that you're after there. I think I'd prefer mine to have that symmetry with the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fillet tool set to 10, and now my top and my bottom will have that same routed profile.